Namaskar friends, myself Sanjay Bhatia. I am an astrologer. I am based in Delhi, New Delhi, India, and we are talking about the astrological predictions about the COMEX trading, about the precious metals, as well as of our few selected commodities. We are going to talk about XAU USD gold, XAG USD silver, copper, aluminium, crude oil, WTI, and as well as for natural gas. So six commodities we are going to cover in today's episode. We are going to reveal the astrological viewpoints, how the things will fare up in this week, and so on. And we are going to make it as a weekly episode. You will be getting it. We for last couple of years we used to give episode for Indian commodity market MCX, but and as well as we are clubbing it for COMEX traders also, but now we are making it as a exclusive English video exclusively for COMEX trading, where across the globe many people are trading in paper gold, paper silver and other commodities. So let's start today's episode, and before going into detail, there's a disclaimer clause which it needs to be addressed to for all of you, that I am not a SEBI registered financial advisor. I am an astrologer, and whatever the predictions I'm going to give to you, these are basically on the celestial events which I am sharing with you with my knowledge. So don't take it as a final trade. There can be chances of error. So you are advised to consult your financial advisor before taking any big position in the market. Because if you take a position in the market, you will end up with profit or loss. In both the circumstances, profit will be yours and losses also be yours. So myself and my channel will not be responsible for any loss or damage to your financial assets. So let's start, and you must be seeing a number on the screen. This is basically for the new subscribers who are watching our episode for the first time. We are giving this free service to all the clients across the globe. In case you want to consult us for astrological advice about your personal things or your financial horoscope, we are going to give you 15 minutes free of cost guidance without any charges, where we will tell you that your horoscope says like for which commodity you should trade on, or for equities, or your horoscope says that you are good for short-term trade or long-term trade, positional trade, or a delivery-based buying. So that can be, we can find out from the horoscope, from the second house, from the fifth house, from the eighth, and as well as for 11th house combination. So these things we can address through Indian astrology. So in case you want to consult us, you can contact us, reach us at this WhatsApp number. Kindly don't call us, kindly send your details, and we will contact you with our own convenience with a space of 15 to 20 days or maybe 1 month time period. Chalo, let's see, and let's start today's episode. And before going into the details of next week, coming week, let's find out how the commodities fared up on the closing day on Friday night. Gold had closed on 44.92. The spot gold has closed on 44.92, and after 4 weeks of straightaway losses of 14 to 15% losses, which is a big loss for last 40 years. This is a big weekly loss, and for this week gone by, we had a flattish close, 0.04% flattish close. Whereas silver has shown some upside. It has closed on 69.78 and weekly loss of 2.95%, whereas monthly loss is 24.51%, which is again a big loss in a decade, I suppose. And for copper, we are closed on 5.49, weekly loss is 2.23%, and monthly loss is 8.53%. Whereas aluminium has shown upside, closed on 3275.20, Weekly gain is 2.51% and monthly gain is 9.60%. This is basically due to Gulf War, where 6 to 7%, up to 10% capacity of aluminium production comes from Gulf states, and since Strait of Hormuz is closed, the production is also hampered, and as well as the logistics are also hampered. Because of that, aluminium prices are going up, and it will continue to go up as per astrological advice also. Now, for the crude oil WTI, it has closed on 99.64, weekly gain of 1.34% and monthly gain of 51.18%. So it is again a big gain, and it's a record gain for crude oil. Now for natural gas, last closing price was 3.02, and weekly loss is 5.69%, whereas monthly it is small gain 2.10%. So these are the figures which we have got on the closing day for this week, for the week gone by. Now, how the things fare up for the next week, how the things have been lined up for the next week, and for that, let's join after the break. Friends, today is Monday and the new week has started. This 4 days week, because Friday is Good Friday is a holiday, so 4 days week, and how the stars are placed. Let's go one by one. When we talk about the biggest star, the Saturn is placed in his own nakshatra in Purva Bhadrapada nakshatra, and Rahu is placed in Shadvisha nakshatra. This is two planets. Then Jupiter, Devguru Brahaspati, Jupiter is placed in Punarvasu nakshatra, and on Sunday, Ketu, South Node, has just shifted to Magha nakshatra, his own nakshatra. So these four big planets are into their own constellation, and they are going to give a very big upside in days to come. But at the moment, we are focused on this week only for next 4 days, how the market is going to behave in these precious metals and as well as other commodities. Now, when we talk about other planets, the Sun is placed in Pisces sign at the moment, and it is going to change on 31st Tuesday. The timing is, we are talking about Eastern Daylight Time, 10:30 a.m. on 31st Tuesday. So this is the timing, or that time it will shift to Revati Nakshatra, Revati constellation. The owner lord is Mercury. So in Sun will change to Revati constellation, Mercury is the lord, and Mercury, it will change to Purva Bhadrapada nakshatra, a constellation where the lord is Jupiter, on 1st of April, 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So these both the planets are changing at the same time, 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and the dates are 31st of this month. Then Mercury is going to change on 1st of April. Now Venus, which has just changed to Aries sign, it has come out from Pisces sign, where it was conjunct with the Saturn, and because of that conjunction, we have seen a record low performance in silver in the month of March. But now we are going to see an upside in silver. Maybe April will be an historic month for silver also. We are doing research, and we'll come up with a monthly episode also. But for this week, we are definitely going to see an upside in silver also. And Venus is going to change its own constellation, Bharani. It will going to change on 6th of April. That is, the timing is 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. So, whereas Mars will continue in Purva Bhadrapada Jupiter Nakshatra till 6th of April, and that is there. And that now we are talking about Moon transit on a daily basis give us fluctuations and tell us at what time the market, the commodities will behave in a irrational way or a rational way. When we talk about moon at the moment, currently in Magha Nakshatra, where the Lord is south node, and it is going to change to Purva Falguni Nakshatra, Venus, the Lord, and the timing is 5:20 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time today itself. So we are recording this episode at 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, but we are recording in India. So it is, the timing is 1:50 a.m. 1:50 p.m. at the moment. So at the afternoon time, we are recording it on Monday. Moon change to Uttara Falguni, Sun is the Lord, Uttara Falguni constellation at 5:30 a.m. on Tuesday. So this is, you can note down the things, or otherwise I can put a slide also. Yes, we can make a slide and show it to you. Moon change to Hasta Nakshatra on Nakshatra at 6:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time on Wednesday, and change to Virgo sign also on the same day on Wednesday. Then moon change to Chitra Nakshatra on 2nd of April, Thursday, 7:30 a.m. And lastly, for this is the last transit for this month, this week rather, 4 days. And we have talked about currently moon is going to change to Purva Falguni, Venus Nakshatra. So what we are going to see on today, we are going to see a consolidation in the prices. The prices will be on the upside only, but not very high upside. And when the US market is going to open at 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time or 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, at that time we are going to see some fluctuations, but the closing will be on the positive side on the Monday. When the Tuesday comes, we are going to see a gap up opening and the prices are going to on the upper side. So Tuesday will be a bullish day where the nakshatra transit will be like that moon will be in Uttara Falguni Nakshatra, Purva Falguni Nakshatra, which has just changed. We're going to change today. So effect will be there tomorrow till 5:30 a.m. So tomorrow full day we are going to see upside on Tuesday in the morning, and as well as the timing when US market are going to open on 31st of March. When we are going to have a new year, means from 1st of April, again we are going to see some consolidation where market will be in red for some time, and then slowly and gradually it will recover and going on the upper side. But overall trajectory will be for the week. Guidance is as such, the market is going on the upper side only. So that is for the Wednesday. The moon transit will be in the first half of the day. It will be in the Uttara Falguni Nakshatra. Sun is the Lord, and then second half of the day it will be in Hasta Nakshatra, its own nakshatra at 4 p.m. Indian Standard Time, and as well as 6:30 a.m. for the Eastern Daylight Time. We are talking about the Wednesday morning market, 1st of April. Now, when 2nd of April day comes, 2nd of April, we are going to see a bullish movement on 2nd of April when moon still in its own nakshatra in the beginning, and when US market opens, then at 7:30 a.m. moon shift to Chitra nakshatra, that is the Lord is Mars. So that time we are going to see a bullish movement on Thursday, the last day of this week, the very bullish movement. But I advise to all of you, in case you are having any positions, that you book your profits on the last day of the week, because this 4 days week, yes, definitely we are going to see an upper side and the market will behave like that. We are going to see, I will give you the targets also. What are the targets we are going to see? We are going to see, in gold, we are going to see a 4,700 is the target. 4,700 we are about to see in this week only by weekend. Whereas silver, we are going to see 76 to 77. Silver is going to break the resistance of 75 US dollar, and whereas gold is going to break the resistance of 46.50. So gold is going to close bullish on 4700 US dollar, and silver is going to close on 76 to 77 US dollar for this week. For copper also, we are going to see a bullish movement, and whereas crude, yes, this would be the last week of crude is getting topped out, because on 2nd of April, Mars is going to transit to a Pisces sign and going to conjunct with Sun, Saturn, Neptune over there, and that's it. Whereas once it leaves Aquarius sign, where it was conjunct with North Node, then we are going to see top out movement in crude oil. Crude oil, we are going to see maximum 103 US dollar for this week. That's it. And natural gas, we are going to have a positional trade for next week buying. So it is always on the buying side for this week. We already have seen consolidation in natural gas for quite some time, and once the summer sets in, natural gas is going to give a bullish trend. So this is all about. Whereas aluminium, due to the problems in Middle East, aluminium is again going is a good buy, means white metal, and because Venus has also comes out from Saturn clutches, means Pisces, so we are going to see a bullish movement in aluminium also. So this is my reading for the 6 commodities which we have discussed today, and we believe that we are going to have a very bullish movement in days to come, not about this week. This week is more of consolidation with a minor or a reasonable upside, with projecting to 2 to 3% in gold, 5 to 7% in silver, and copper again 3 to 4%. So these are the commodities, main commodities, where we are going to see an upper side. Crude is going to top out, and natural gas is getting ready for a big up move in the month of April. So aluminium is again a good buy because of the war, and continue to rise further in the month of April. So overall, our projection is for the month of April, the guidance is except crude oil, everything is going bullish. So you can take your decisions, because we are not going to give you any financial advice to buy or sell. It is entirely your own decision, your own money, you are at your own risk. So this is just an astrological guidance which I have shared with you. Hope you like it. If you like it, kindly subscribe to my channel and share the contents with the people who need it more than you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Good day and goodbye. We are going to soon give guidance for Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and S&P 500 also. Maybe tomorrow we are going to release that episode. Thank you. Thank you very much. Good day to all of you.